When a smartphone like the Galaxy A20 starts having a very poor performance, you can always expect it to be a problem with the firmware. Firmware issues are often the cause of performance-related problems in any smartphone. And while they're pretty annoying, they're actually not that hard to fix. In this video, I will be showing you what to do to fix your Galaxy A20 with poor performance. First solution: force restart your phone first. First off, it's possible that this problem is caused by some pretty minor firmware-related issues. Some apps or services may have crashed in the background, or the firmware itself may have some problems. These things can be fixed by a simple reboot, but it's better to do the forced restart to refresh your device's memory and reload all apps and services. To do this, press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 15 seconds. When the logo shows on the screen, release both keys and wait while the phone reboots. Once it has successfully rebooted, try to see if the performance improved. Second solution: reset all settings on your phone. The next thing that you have to do if the first solution fails is to reset the settings on your phone. This will bring all the settings back to the way they were before you even set the phone up. When it comes to performance issues, this solution has already been proven to be pretty effective, and the good thing about it is that you won't lose anything. Most of the time, this is all you need to do to make your phone work perfectly again. Here's how. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Reset Settings. Tap the Reset Settings button. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Finally, tap Reset. Third solution: factory reset your phone. If the first two solutions failed to fix the problem, what you have to do next is the factory reset. It fixes most of the firmware issues, but the thing is that you will need to create a backup of your important files as they will be deleted. So, spend a little time creating a backup of the things you don't want to lose. This is how it's done. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Finally, tap Delete All. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.